Welcome to this online session. Today we are going to start Class 4 NCERT Chapter 1st, Building with Bricks. The learning objectives are plane shapes and solid shapes. What is a brick? Patterns, mirror halves, faces, edges and vertices of a brick, arch, brick kiln and large numbers. So in first part we are going to cover the first 5 learning objectives. First is plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane shapes are flat shapes and they can be drawn on a paper. For example, circle, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Plane shapes, they have two dimensions, length and width. They have no thickness. And solid shapes are the objects that occupy space. They have three dimensions, length, width and height. And solid shapes examples are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder, etc. In solid shapes, we can see faces, edges and vertices. Second point is what is a brick? Brick is a rectangular block which is made of clay, and bricks they are used to make walls, pavements, bridges, etc. Third point is patterns. Patterns are the repeated sequence of objects, shapes, numbers, alphabets, etc. Fourth point is mirror halves. Mirror halves, the objects that look similar or same on both sides of a middle line. Mirror symmetry divides a figure or design into halves that are mirror images. Now fifth is faces, edges and vertices of a brick. Brick is a solid shape. A brick looks like a cuboid. So the first faces. Faces are the surfaces of any solid shape. Edges, where two or more faces will meet, that line segment is called an edge. Vertices, vertices where two or three edges will meet. Vertices, another word for vertices are corners. Now we are going to start the chapter. Building with bricks. So this chapter is related to the state West Bengal and the district is Murshidabad. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country, and one of the state is West Bengal. So when the building of Jagriti school was being made, the three masons are the helpers who help us to make the buildings or homes, etc. So the three masons, Jamal, Kalu and Piar, they wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they went to the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. This is the picture of the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. And Murshid Quli Khan was the first Nawab of West Bengal. So this building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. And these were made by the masons long back, about 300 years ago. So now look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. 5 floor patterns are given here. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now the first question is, which floor pattern do you like the most? I like the fifth pattern. You can write the answer according to your choice. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Yes, I have seen such patterns in mosques. Now these three masons, they came back excited, and after coming back they have made these beautiful brick patterns on the floor of the school building. So we can see here they are very pretty, unique and different to one another. In the third page we can see different floor patterns, and there are 11 floor patterns are here. Each one is different from the another. So now start the first question, which pattern is made in a circle? So if we start from A, the J pattern is made in a circle. Second question is, in which pattern can you show mirror halves? So if we draw a center line or a middle line and we put a mirror in the center, we can see the image, actual image as it is, then that is the mirror half. So here we can see mirror halves in pattern A, B, H, I, and J. Now you draw some new floor patterns. So you can draw new floor patterns according to your creativity and choice. In the fourth page, here we can see two pictures, and in the first picture we can see the faces, three faces of a brick, and in the second picture we can see only one face of a brick. So these are the two photos of the same brick. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see three faces. So circle the photo showing three faces. In first picture we can see three faces: top, front, and side face. So these are the three faces we can see. How many faces in all does a brick have? I already told you that brick is a solid shape. It looks like a cuboid and it has six faces: top, bottom, front, back, and two side faces. So total faces in a brick are six. Is any face a square? No, there is no face looks like a square. Draw the smallest face of the brick. So we can draw this one is the smallest face of the brick and this one is the largest face of the brick. Next question is, which of these are the faces of a brick? If we start from the first one, we can put tick here. This is the correct option, and this is a square, so no. And the last one, this is also one of the face of a brick, so we can put one tick here and another here. In the next question, which of these is a drawing of a brick? This is a drawing of a cylinder. This is also drawing of a cuboid, but it doesn't look like a brick. This is a prism. This is the actual drawing of a brick, and this is a drawing of a cube, so we will mark a tick here. This is the actual drawing of a brick. Next question, make a drawing of this box to show three of its faces. So we can draw it similar to a cuboid and little bit similar to this, and we can show three of its faces. Last question of this page is, can you make a drawing of a brick which shows four of its faces? No, we cannot make a drawing of a brick in which we can show four of its faces. We can only, here in this picture we can see there are only three faces we can see. So we cannot draw any brick where we can see four of its faces. So thank you. Next we will go for the part 2, in which we will move from page number 5 to 12. Thank you.